Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be making these keto lemon poppy seed muffins. These are really good. They're super fluffy and light, and they just have really great flavor if you're a lemon fan. And these are made with my keto bread and pastry flour, which is available on my website. But if you don't have it, I always have your back as well. There is a keto lemon poppy seed donut recipe down below, which can be made in a muffin pan as well, so you can always make that if you don't have the flour. But these turned out so good. They might be my best keto muffins so far. So I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up if you do, and let's just get into the recipe.